Hello and Namaste. My name is Mr. Gautam Behra and today I am here to discuss about the introduction to electrometallurgy. So what is electrometallurgy? So the word electro means it comes from electricity and the metallurgy means metal extraction and metal refining. So electrometallurgy is a process of metal extraction as well as metal refining. But in case of electrometallurgy, basically we use electrical energy for metal extraction or it may be metal refining, or we use the effect of electricity. The most two important effect of electricity is the heat energy which will come out due to electricity, and that is heating effect, and another one is the electrolysis, that is due to direct current effect. So you understand, that means if we are using electricity for metal extraction or for metal refining, or we are using its effects like heating effects and its electrolysis effect, then that processes comes under electrometallurgy. Now uh, let me give a suitable example related to this. Everybody have heard about electric arc furnace. So in case of electric arc furnace, the heat which is generated due to arc, and that arc is generated due to placing two different electrodes, that means positive and negative electrode, to closer to one another, and that is due to passing of electricity only. So that is one of the heating effect, and the heating effect is in so this electric arc furnaces are used for generation of production of steels nowadays, or in earlier days also this electric arc furnace are used. Electric arc furnaces are also used for production of ferroalloys, because this is one of the important furnace which can generate very high amount of heat, that is and we also can go to a temperature of like 4000 degrees centigrade temperature, you can imagine. That is possible by due to this electricity only. And the suitable example is like during aluminium extraction, that is we can say electrowinning of aluminium from pure bauxite concentrate, where the temperature of the reactor is maintained 1000 degrees centigrade. So it is possible due to electricity only. So we understand that how heat is also generated. Heat also generated due to resistance offered by the different mediums present in the system, right? So that is I square R laws. More is the current, more is the heat generation, and more is the resistance offered by the different systems present or different component present. More is the heat generation. So this is one example, two examples, and another suitable example, obviously the aluminium extraction, where electrolysis happened, where we get aluminium out of alumina by the electrolysis method, where this simply this compound alumina L2O3 get dissociated into constituent ions, cations and anions, aluminium cations and oxygen anions, due to passing of direct current at a particular voltage, and further the cations will move to the negative electrode, and anions obviously moves to the positive electrode, which is basically electrolysis mechanism. So basically we can say that this metal extraction or metal refining by electrometallurgy is done by the mechanism called electrolysis. And next we'll discuss some important points about electrometallurgy. So one of the important points about electrometallurgy is uh, there are certain metals which cannot be extracted by other extractive process like hydrometallurgy or pyrometallurgy. Electrometallurgy is the only means for metal extraction of those metals. Like best example is aluminium, lithium, sodium. These metals can be only extracted and refined through electrometallurgy route. So other important point is electrometallurgy route provides very high degree of purity. So if we do purification using electrometallurgy, like electrolysis, so you can get 99.99% purity metals. And the point is, even electrometallurgy, if the parameters are well controlled, we can get very pure metals also directly. Do not have to go for purifications. Like in case of aluminium and in case of zinc, which is used for galvanizing, we can produce those pure metals with the help of electrometallurgy. And then the last important point I'd like to discuss is basically, if you look into the electrometallurgy, it is the final stage of metal production. It is not an initial stage basically. Yeah, for aluminium, sodium, lithium, it may be, but still the refining is done by electrometallurgy only. So the final stage of metal production is basically electrometallurgy. Let me give a suitable example, like extraction of aluminium. We do purification of this alumina by help of hydrometallurgy only. At the end, we'll get a compound, and that compound is processed by electrometallurgy only to get aluminium, right? So pyrometallurgy comes first, then the final stage is electrometallurgy. Similarly, many metals are processed or produced by pyrometallurgical process, like copper is one of the example. If you want to get pure copper, then we have to go for electrometallurgy again, right? So electrometallurgy is the final stage of metal extraction and processing. Okay, thank you. We'll continue in the next video maybe.